Good morning, children. Welcome to today's class of mathematics. So, in today's class, we will be solving all the questions from the worksheets discussed on 18th and 28th of February. So, we will look at the questions and we will solve them. So, let's get started with the worksheet given on 18th of February. Now, the first question that we have here is solve the following 8000 plus 700 plus 60 plus 5. So, what it will be equals to हमने जो question में है वो क्या है expanded form और हमारा आंसर जो होगा वो क्या होगा short form. So, what it will be 8765. Now, the next question that we have is solve by representing on a number line 12 divided by 3. So first of all, what we have to do, we have to draw a number line over here. जिसमें क्या क्या होंगे, जिसमें बहुत सारे numbers होंगे starting from 0 and ending at 12. At least 12 तक तो numbers होने चाहिए, right? We will do 12 divided by 3. That means we have to start from 12 and we have to end at 0, right? And every time we have to skip 3 steps. So if I start from 12, तो 12 से जब हम एक बार स्किप करेंगे 3 स्टेप्स तो हम कहाँ आएंगे 9 पे एंड देन इफ अगेन आई स्किप 3 स्टेप्स आई विल रीच 6 and then again if I skip 3 places we will get 3 and on skipping again we will reach at 0 और हमें तब तक skip करना है equal number of steps which is the divisor till we reach 0. So how many jumps we have taken in all? 1 2 3 and 4. तो आंसर क्या हो गया 4. Now next, rupees 5.85 is equal to. So rupees 5.85 का मतलब rupees जो है वो 5 है. So 1 rupee is equal to 100 paise. That means 5 rupee will be multiplied by 100 paise. And 85 is already in paise. So 85 needs to be added, which will finally give us the answer as 585. Now next, solve by repeated subtraction method. तो हम सबको याद है हमने कैसे सीखा था repeated subtraction method. 30 divided by 5. So each time हमें 5 subtract करना है. So 30 minus 5 is equal to 25. Similarly, again we have to subtract 25 minus 5 is equal to 20. 20 minus 5 is equal to 15. 15 minus 5 is equal to 10. 10 minus 5 is equal to 5 and once more we will subtract 5 क्योंकि 0 नहीं आया था जब तक हमें subtract करना है till the time we don't get 0. So finally we got 0 and how many times have we subtracted? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So the answer here will be equals to 6. Fine children. Next is 0 divided by 638. So obviously the answer will be equals to 0. 0 divided by any number will be equals to 0. Now, the next question that we have is divide 3 by 836. Okay. So let's divide it. 3 की टेबल में 8 नहीं आता but 3 2s are 6 आता है. So 8 minus 6 is equal to 2. Next this 3 will come down. So 3 sevens are 21. 3 minus 1 is equal to 2. Now what will come down? This 6 will come down. So 3 eights are 24 and 6 minus 4 is equal to 2. So what is the quotient? Quotient is equal to 278 and the remainder is equals to 2. Next, आइडेंटिफाई द न्यूमरेटर एंड डिनोमिनेटर इन द फॉलोइंग। सो हमें पता है ये जो बाई वाला निशान है उसके ऊपर वाला नंबर हमारा क्या होता है, दैट्स द न्यूमरेटर, and the number which is there at the bottom, this 4, is the denominator. Done. Now next question is 1 by 4 of 16. So how can we find out 1 by 4 of 16? इसका मतलब यही होता है कि 16 is to be divided by 4. So 16 divided by 4 will be equals to 4. इसका मतलब 1 by 4 of 16 is also equals to 4. Now the next question that we have is a very easy question for all of you. Draw a horizontal, a vertical and a curved line. So now let's draw it. हॉरिजॉन्टल लाइन कैसा होता है, स्लीपिंग लाइन को ही हम क्या बोलते हैं, हॉरिजॉन्टल लाइन. नेक्स्ट वर्टिकल लाइन यानी स्टैंडिंग लाइन. ओके, एंड देन अ कर्व्ड लाइन. So this kind of line is a curved line. The next question that we have now is write the faces, edges and vertices of cube, cuboid, cone, cylinder and sphere. ठीक है, तो हम फटाफट लिख लेते हैं. So how many edges are there in a cube? 12. There are 12 edges. How many faces are there? 6 faces. And how many vertices are there? 8 vertices. Cuboid का भी बिल्कुल same होता है. So 12 edges, 6 faces and 8 vertices. Next, cone. Now in case of cone, the number of edges is 1, faces are 2 and vertices are also equal to 1. Next, cylinder. In case of cylinder, the number of edges are 2, number of faces are 3 and number of vertices are 0. Last but not the least is a sphere. Edges is 0, faces is 1 and vertices is 0. So done. With this we have ended the worksheet which was shared on 18th of February. Now let us discuss the worksheet which was shared on 20th of February. Now the first question is, which unit would you use to weigh the following things? Now first one is an egg. Egg हम किस में weigh कर सकते हैं? Grams, right? And if I talk about a laptop, kilograms. Convert into centimeters, 1 meter and 25 centimeter. Now what do we know? 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. So 1 multiplied by 100 plus 25 is equal to 100 plus 25 is equal to 125 centimeter. Next, a pencil costs rupees 8.25. What is the cost of 3 such pencils? So क्या होगा, हमें multiply करना होगा. Cost of 1 pencil is equal to rupees 8.25. Cost of 3 pencils क्या होगा? Rupees 8.25 multiplied by 3. So let's see what is the answer. Let's multiply over here. 8.25 into 3. So here 3 5s are 15, 5 carry 1, 3 2s are 6 and 1 7 and 3 8s is equal to 24. हमें पता है वंस और टेंस का पैसे का कॉलम होता है, सो डेसिमल विल बी, पॉइंट इज ओवर हियर. सो नाउ रुपीज 24.75 paise. Now next is draw a clock and show the time on it, 5:15. So let us first draw a clock. Next, what we are going to do, we are going to write down the dials. So 12, 3, 6, 9, 1, 2, 4, 5, 7, 8, 10 and 11. There is a center point. 5:15 का मतलब क्या होता है? मिनट का हैंड कहाँ होगा? 3 पे होगा. And where will the hour hand be? It will be on 5. So this is the time which we can say 5:15. Next we have a pictograph. The pictograph below shows the number of marks obtained by 6 students in their maths exam out of 100 total marks. तो इससे रिलेटेड कुछ क्वेश्चंस हैं, पिक्टोग्राफ को स्टडी करके हमें उन क्वेश्चंस का आंसर करना है. Fine children. So now maximum marks is 100. In this pictograph, the key is that one star represents 10 marks. So now, first question is how many marks did Ali get? तो अली के पास कितने स्टार्स है? 1 2 3 4 5 और एक स्टार का मतलब 10 मार्क्स. तो 10 into 5 is equal to 50 marks. So Ali has got 50 marks. Next question. Who got 100 out of 100 marks? Now let's see सबसे ज्यादा मार्क्स किसके दिख रहे हैं? मैरी के. लेट्स चेक कि ये 100 है या नहीं. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. 10 star means 10 into 10 is equal to 100 marks. So who got 100 marks? Mary. MARRY. Mary. Next, how many more marks did Sara score than Zara? यानी सारा और जारा के मार्क्स में कितना डिफरेंस है, दैट वी नीड टू फाइंड आउट. सो सारा स्कोर्ड 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 मार्क्स यानी 90 मार्क्स एंड जारा स्कोर्ड ओनली 20 मार्क्स. सो 90 minus 20 is equal to 70. So Sarah scored 70 more marks than Zara. Next, who got 10 less than 100 marks? यानी 90 marks किसको मिले? अभी हमने देखा सारा को 90 marks मिले हैं, so SARA सारा. Next, name the student who got 60 marks in the exam. 60 marks किसको मिले होंगे? जिनको 6 stars मिले होंगे. So let's see who got 6 stars. 1 2 3 4 5 6. 1 2 3 4 5 6. So 2 people have got 6 stars yani 60 marks. So Gabriel and Ahmed, they have scored 60 marks. Next, who scored the least marks in the test? सबसे कम किसके marks आए हैं? Zara के. So Zara has scored the least marks. The next question is convert into liters and milliliters. So that means 5259 ml. हमें क्या पता है कि 1000 ml is equal to 1 liters. So that means we have to divide this value by 1000. Lower unit से higher unit की तरफ जा रहे हैं. So 1000 will come as the divisor and this will be the dividend. So 1000 fives are 5000 and after subtracting we will get 259. So what is the answer? The answer is 5 liters and 259 milliliters. Next, add 2 kg 450 grams to 5 kg 384 grams. दो कॉलम बनाने होंगे हमें किलोग्राम एंड ग्राम्स के. 2 450. Next is 5 kg and 384 grams. Let's add both of them, and on adding what we will get, 0 plus 4 is equal to 4 and 8 plus 5 13, carry 1, so 3 4 3 7 and 1 8, 5 and 2 7. The answer is 7 kg and 834 grams. Next question is name and draw two 2D and two 3D shapes. So this is a very easy question. हमें पता है 2D shapes बहुत सारे हैं, like square, rectangle, circle. So you can draw any two. आप कोई भी दो 2D shapes draw कर सकते हैं. Similarly for 3D also, cube, cuboid, cylinder, cone, many are there. किसी भी दो 3D shapes को हम draw कर सकते हैं. So children, we have discussed both the worksheets that were shared in the last week. So with this I am ending today's video. आज जो मैंने worksheet भेजी है आपको उसे solve करना है, जिसका solution हम next video में send करेंगे. So thank you and bye bye.